Welcome to our Firefly Dream Journey. Today we'll explore the magical world of fireflies and discover how they can teach us about resilience and emotional intelligence. Imagine a magical forest filled with glowing fireflies. Each firefly represents a dream or wish. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Visualize yourself in this forest, surrounded by gentle flickering lights. One special firefly holds your biggest dream. What is it? Picture your dream clearly. Think about the steps you need to take to achieve it and who can help you. Fireflies show resilience through their teamwork and synchronized flashing. By working together to create a unified light show, they increase their chances of finding mates and surviving. This teaches us that collaborating and supporting each other makes us stronger and more resilient. Fireflies also teach us emotional intelligence. They communicate through their light patterns, sending signals to attract mates and warn of danger. This shows how important it is to express our feelings and understand others. By supporting each other and working as a team, we can overcome challenges and achieve our dreams. Draw or write about your firefly dream and share it with us using Firefly Dream Journey. Together, we can make our dreams come true and shine brighter, just like the fireflies. Remember, with unity and support, anything is possible. Keep dreaming and working together for a better world.